All right, guys, YouTube, Drew, Paul, Chris, Billy. Where you at, Billy? There you go. Heading to Hazel Green, Alabama. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, YouTube. Day one, Alabama. We are loading up our plywood, and we got a shit ton of it. Loading up some OSB. I can't say plywood, it's OSB. I'm gonna load up some OSB. We'll get the 2x4s tomorrow. So if we can get plywood on today, I'll be tickled to death. Funniest videos. That's the way to get a piece of rubber out there. Alright. Trees ripping on repair. Alabama. I have a feeling by the neighborhood that I'll be back. Big one. Here is a small tip. If you're having trouble trying to get your rubber to stay back and you're putting in a seam, Chris here is going to show you what you do. That's it. Just like that. Every 4 or 5 feet. Okay. All right. Hazel Green, Alabama. We're staying at the Clarion in Huntsville. About 25-minute drive. Not too far away from the home improvements. You need me to hold something back for you right there, buddy? Nice looking fascia. It's gonna look good. Hazel Green, Alabama. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Give us a call for your quote. We'd love to come see you. We'd love to come to wherever you're at. Hopefully within a 10-hour span. If we have to go further, we might cost a little bit more. You could probably get us there. So we hope to hear from you. 910-845-2207. Give Drew a call. Oh, let me spin around here real quick. Give Drew a call. Here we go. You see that? West Virginia, finished. You need a new blade, Bill, already? We can get you one. Hey, Paul, you know where the straight blades are? Will you get Billy one, please? Billy needs a new straight blade. What do you think of that, young lady?
Yeah.
We ended up putting 750 slant backs on that, cocked them down with EPDM caulk. The vent back in for their furnace. Rubber's laying down really nice. It'll even get better than that. Porch is all tied in, seam taped. Billy has cut off all the rubber around the whole house. Looks super nice. Yeah, Alabama. All right, 7 states. See you later. Alabama, sorry. Alabama. Sweet. Hey, thanks, Paul. Thank you, Chris.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Sir.
Billy, couldn't done it without anybody. Awesome job. Everybody, thanks for watching.